The dealership wants you to believe your truck's frame is outdated, 25 years old, ancient. Time to upgrade to their aluminum wonder with the $70,000 price tag. Here's what they won't tell you. The engineers who designed your GMT800 frame solved problems the new trucks are still failing at. And today, I'm going to show you 4 reasons the steel under your Silverado will outlive anything rolling off the line right now. Number 4 is the one that saves you thousands. First, the hydroformed front section. In 1999, Chevy pressure formed the front rails from a single piece of steel. No stacked welds. No weak seams. One continuous backbone holding your engine and front suspension. That was space-age technology back then, and it's still holding strong under 1 million of these trucks today. Second, the open rear rails everyone calls cheap. They're not cheap, they're smart. Water drains right out, mud falls off. You can see every inch with a flashlight and a creeper on a Saturday morning. Now look at a modern, fully boxed frame. Sealed tubes. Water gets in, and it rots from the inside out, where nobody sees it until it's too late. Your old design inspects itself every time you look at it. Their advanced design hides the cancer. Third, repairability. A spot of rust on your rail? Any welder in any small town fixes it in an afternoon for a couple $100. Rust inside a seal-boxed rail on a new truck? The insurance company totals it. One design gets repaired. The other gets scrapped. You already know which one the engineers built to last. Fourth, plain, honest steel. No aluminum panels that need a certified body shop and special rivets. No bonding adhesives. No $8,000 bedside replacements. Your frame is steel, your tools work on it, and your hands already know it. Here's the verdict. Give that frame 30 minutes every fall. Wire brush, a coat of oil-based undercoating on the rails, and you've done more for your truck's next 20 years than any payment book ever will. The industry calls it old. We call it proven. Never sell that truck. Now I want to hear from you. How many miles are on your frame, and what part of the country has it survived? Drop it in the comments. Salt State owners, I especially want your numbers. And check the pinned comment. I've listed the exact undercoating and wire brush I trust on my own truck. If your Silverado's still earning its keep, hit subscribe. This channel was built for you.